There's a problem with Apple computers. The problem is fundamentally that they're Apple computers. I mean, I have nothing against Apple like iPhones or tablets, but their computers are god awful. They've always designed their computers around the same ideas since the 80s. This is a 1985 Apple Macintosh 512K. And Apple has always had the same design language. It's very simple. The product has to look cutting edge and sexy, but inside it's underpowered, and of course it's overpriced. Another thing Apple loves to do is fuck the customer over. It's very simple. You can't upgrade Apple desktop computers. You never could, and you never will be able to. They just don't want you to upgrade. Well, that's not true. Sometimes you could upgrade. Like these, you could upgrade, but still very limited upgrades. On any modern Apple computer, what does a customer do if they want more storage or, a better CPU? Oh, they bring it to the Apple Store. The Apple Store says, fuck you. Go buy the latest version. It's better. See, they're always trying to make things seem better. Like the iPhones. They're just, technology has reached kind of a limit. People don't need any faster cell phones. So, it's kind of just reached its peak. People don't need to buy a new phone every year like they used to in 2005, when there was you'd get the next generation of phone and it would be a massive upgrade. All technology is kind of plateaued now. There's nowhere to go except add bullshit features, like 3 cameras on a fucking cell phone. You kidding me? Anyway, yeah, and as far as this, how does Apple fuck the customer over with a 1980s computer? The hardware. So these computers use a cable here. This looks exactly, and it has the same plug as a telephone handset cable, the kind that goes between the handset and the base unit of an old style corded phone. Now this is the same plug and it looks the same, but Apple specifically designed this keyboard so that if you plug a phone handset cable from the computer to the keyboard, it will instantly blow up the chip on the keyboard. And that is one of Apple's favorite things to do, proprietary connectors. Yes. It still pisses me off that they got rid of the headphone jack. I had a phone, an old ass Samsung phone or something. I would use that headphone jack a lot. But now on this new Apple phone I have, no headphone jack. Why? Why? Oh, just because Apple likes doing this bullshit. All their products suck. Why? Why would you ever buy an Apple desktop computer? Yes, I'm looking at you, Apple fanboy, who's watching this video and is about to post 16 angry comments about why I'm doing this, which is one of the reasons I'm making this video. Another point I have to state is I bought 3 of these, 2 keyboards and a mouse for 120 Canadian dollars. And I have sold the other ones of these to other people who actually wanted them. I could sell this, maybe get $100, but I'd much rather make this video because I don't like Apple computers, and this is vintage, vintage. Oof, good. And also, I couldn't find any other destruction videos of vintage Apple computers, so this is gonna be ooh, baby. Is there any other major points I need to make? Let me think here. Yeah, I don't know. Apple just does the same shit always, I would never buy an Apple computer. Sure, I'm not saying Windows is perfect, because it's very flawed too, but the hardware, at least on a PC, even the shittiest Dell or HP piece of crap computer, at least you can upgrade the RAM, maybe the CPU and the storage. You can always do those on any kind of PC. Of course, they do have all-in-one PCs, which are this kind of thing. Those still suck. Laptops still suck. But if you have a desktop tower PC, you can always upgrade it. That's it. These Apple products, you're fucked. I don't know. Also, Apple products don't have GPUs. How the fuck does that work? Do they just have like a shitty integrated graphics or something? Like, Apple products don't have dedicated GPUs, like, on any of them. Like, what the fuck is that? Of course, no gamer is buying an Apple Mac, but still. Also, Apple Macs, do you know where I see these Macs in use? I see these in, like doctors' offices, reception areas, maybe, concierge desks in apartment buildings. They have Macs. Why do these people buy Macs? Because Macs are poser computers. They're sexy, they're thin, they're made of aluminum and glass and all this bullshit. And they just look, here's a good one. I was at the Apple store, I don't even know when or why, but I was there, and I was just laughing at this Apple Mac computer they had there. It was one of the latest models, the stupid colored ones. And anyway, I look at it and I say, wow, holy shit, that's so thin. How did they fit the power supply and all that in there? And then I look at the fucking thing, and it has like a power brick that's like this big. And I'm like, wow. A power brick on a desktop computer. Don't make me laugh. A power brick? I hate power bricks. Imagine buying a desktop computer that you don't move it. It sits on your desk, and it has a power brick. All in the name of so the computer can be like half an inch thinner. You kidding me? I'd rather have a computer that's like this thick, but it has a built-in power supply any day than those stupid computers that use power bricks, which you always lose, and they're shitty, and they have no ventilation on them, so they probably overheat. Oh, I know they overheat. Stupid Apple products. Their whole design is just about making their products look sexy and appealing to... Apple products are appealing to people who know nothing about computer hardware. Anyway. Alright, let's just quickly go over the specs of my new sexy Apple Macintosh 512K with an upside down Apple logo. Ooh, let's see. UL listed office equipment. Oh yeah, no user serviceable parts inside. Yeah, that's right, Apple. Ooh, 120 volts only? Really? You can't even do 240 if you go to some European country? Really? 50, 60, 1 amp, 60 watts. I mean, at least it's power efficient. Like, the CPU doesn't even have a heat sink kind of power efficient. Like, this is... Anyway, we have a mouse port. I don't have the mouse. I sold it. A floppy disk port, a printer port, a internet port. Wow, high-tech, futuristic. Year 2000 shit. Ooh, a headphone. Oh, a headphone jack so you can hear those glorious beeps. Ooh, baby. Some screws, a battery holder that will keep the time when your thing's turned off. Wow, it's corroded too. What else we got? The Apple logo, the gay Apple logo. Look at that. We got some vent holes. I mean, at least they did sacrifice a bit of the aesthetic to put some ugly-ass vent holes. But no fan, because Steve Jobs said, fans in a computer? That might increase the life and make it run more efficient. He said, fuck that. We gotta have this bitch quiet as possible. Alright, and then around the side we have the interrupt button, which is for nerds to do their coding. And the reset switch can't... Like, look at this, though. This, you had to buy this adapter thing to stick in here so that you could actually use the reset switch. Like, you just have to, like, power flip it. Anyway, around the front, we have that sexy Apple logo design continued. Apple fanboy! And we have the disk drive here. These are 800 kilobyte discs. Ooh. Oh, and this has an 8 megahertz Motorola CPU. 8. Just hear that for a sec. 8. That's right. 8 megahertz. That is so fucking fast. And we have a glorious 512 megabytes. Oh, wait, no. Wait a minute. We have a glorious 512 kilobytes of RAM. That's right, we have half of an entire, gigantic, enormous megabyte. That's right. This thing has a glorious, what is that, about like a 3-inch fucking black and white monitor, you know, with a brightness knob hidden down here. The fucking keyboard cable I was telling you about earlier, like a phone jack type thing. Around this side, we have absolutely nothing. Here's the keyboard. I'm actually going to keep this keyboard because I actually like it. Amazing. I actually like an Apple product. Oh my god, fuck me. That this thing actually has like mechanical switches and it's actually pretty well built. So I'm actually gonna keep this thing just because it's kind of neat. I kind of just like thumping on it like this. It's kind of just has a nice feel when you're typing. Look at the caps lock too. Isn't that hip? Like you don't need to like. It's like an actual lock holds the key down like on a typewriter. Like caps lock. Who needs the light when you can just have the key that'll just hold itself down? Right? And then we have no F keys, no escape. We have these number keys. We have this number pad, which nobody will ever use because that's for accountants and stuff who are like entering all their shit. And this is an Apple model, Apple Computer Inc. M0110A keyboard. All right, so let's boot this puppy up. Oh yeah, hear that glorious beep. Oh yeah. Does its RAM check, and then it does this question mark thing, and then it does its happy computer loading thing. Then it does this. Oh yeah. And here is my very appropriately named disk save that I made back when I still had the mouse, which I now slightly regret selling, although not for long, because soon this computer is going to be reformatted into trash, like just how it says right here, trash, where Mac computers belong. And I have some other crap on here that I made. You know, when I bought this, I actually thought it would be hip to play old games and crap on here, until I realized there were like 3 games made for this piece of crap or something. This is pathetic. And even if I could find the games, you can't get software onto these disk things here. Like, good luck ever getting any software onto something this old. You can't even do it. It's useless. Ooh, it just did a bar there. It's going... Oh yeah, if I thump on this. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's eject this disc and see what else I have. I have some real treats here in this collection of discs, like some games and crap. Let's have some fun with these. All right. Let's see if I can figure out how to get the disc out using the keyboard. I know it's possible. I think you go... It's doing something. Oh, there it goes. Let's play some games. How about this? Oh, a game. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I broke it. Oh, shit. I really did. Come on, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I need my ejector tool. All right, here we go. This is my official Apple Macintosh 512K disc ejector tool. You just jam it in there and it will eject. Let's see it in action. Oh yeah. All right. Let's do this again. I'll just reboot. Come on. Oh, it's working. I didn't break it. All right, welcome to the Macintosh. All right, let's see this game. Come on, be a good one. Ooh, graphics. And sound effects. Holy shit, this is some high-tech shit. Wow. Yeah, what the fuck? Let's see here. I like Steve Jobs. He's so sexy. Ugh, how dare you deny my access to my own video game that I own? Ugh, I just want to play some game in glorious black and white. Let's just reset. Oh, wrong one. Let's reset. There we go. Maybe I'll focus it in on the screen so you can see some of my gameplay footage. Oh, yeah. Ooh, high tech. Ugh. I can imagine some depressed accountant in the 1980s playing this shit and being like so excited. Man, this is just boring. I can't get past this question screen, so I just gotta like type random crap in and hope I get it. Alright. A word, I need a word here. Can you help me out? Oh, you say penis? Really? That's kind of rude, but okay. I mean, if you think so. No. You idiot. Let's reset. Come on. Gotta do better than that. This radio is still playing. It's part of my... This radio is part of my Let It Bake experiment. I'm trying to see how long vacuum tubes last before they burn out. So this radio's on 24/7 in this corner. Come on, baby. Let me play. I might need to install some hacks on this game. This game is just... Oh, it has a very good anti-cheat system. What is the illustration? It's in this illustration of Bill Gates being murdered by Steve Jobs. Oh, nope. By Jobs, Steve Jobs. Alright, there. There. Fine. Thank you. What was that? I've actually never gotten past that screen before, and I tried it multiple times. Did I really just... Wow. Anyway, look at this shit. 1987, Dave Murray and Barry Murray. Wow, high tech. Game studio. Like 2 people bored with their Apple Mac. Probably like smoking crack or something. Alright, how do I start this puppy? Do I need the mouse? If I need the mouse, I'm not going to be happy. I mean, I'm strictly a keyboard gamer here, okay? Got the arrow keys here. Look at these arrow key layout. It's beautiful. Like, that is, like, perfect for gaming. You just got to orient your hand like this. Works so well. Demo. Yes, please. Oh, yeah. Oh. Wow. High-tech graphics. Look at that. Look at that isometric design there. Wow. Ooh, shit's moving around, too. Oh, yeah. Come on. I'm pressing the arrow keys. No? You don't like that, huh? Come on, let's just go through it. Alright, that's it. I need to install the official supported mod pack for this game. It's the, what do you call those fucking things? The, yeah, mod pack. You know, you install some extra shit to really get your game, like, really, like, improve the graphics. So, it wants me to load it wants me to install, it wants me to burn to disk, okay? So, this is how you do that on a Mac. You simply, let's see if I can, here we go. You simply take your program. I have very carefully stored this is the mod pack code add-on. So you just compress it. All right, I only need half this. I only need the part that puts in the cheats and disables the anti-cheat. So I'm just gonna jam it on in there, okay? All right, and now, once the computer's turned on, we need to burn to disk. All right, so we don't need the keyboard for this step. We just need to burn to disk, which involves the good old-fashioned heat because, well, this doesn't have a laser, so we have to physically burn to the disk. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. The mod pack is adding itself to the computer's memory shits. There we go. Oh, yeah. All right, it should be done pretty soon. It's just finalizing the details there, as you can see. The loading screen is preparing for the finale. All right, I think it's ready, so we just need to get that thing in there now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah! My scissors are on fire. Ah! Shit. All right. All right. The mod pack has been installed. As you can see, the disc is in premium condition, so it should work now. Just got to straighten the edges out, you know. The plastic's still moldable here, so we'll just finger it. All right. Oh, yeah. Come on, get out. We need to use my custom ejector tool again. Oh, no. My ejector tool isn't working. Come on. My custom ejector tool. No, fuck. Apple, how could you? Oh. Wow, that fixed it. There we go. Let's reboot. Really? That's pathetic. The chips are soldered to the board. They can't even come out of the socket. How does this happen? Well, at least it still does something for our next test. The good old water test. So, let's get this thing all right, that's a good angle, right? Yeah, all right. For our next test, the sprayer. I think this is filled with vinegar because it really stinks like vinegar. So, oh yeah. Fill me up. Fill me up, Daddy. There we go. There we go. Look at that glitch-o-matic. Oh, that is a beautiful pattern. Computer-generated graphics right there. Look at that. That's a beautiful pattern. It looks like a TV static. Look at that. So nice. I mean, really, this is probably like the most fun I've ever had, like smashing a shitty old computer. Just because I know Apple fanboys are gonna love it. All right. Gotta go very slowly over the power unit. Come on. I know there's power in there. Ugh. Gotta clean the computer. It got all dirty here. Can't you see that? Oh. All right. Come on. Oh, yeah. There we go. Look at those scan lines on the CRT. That's like some Oh yeah, that thing's tripping. Oh yeah. It's slowly gonna EOL. Watch the deflection circuitry just cremate. I want to see smoke. Oh, speaker doing something. I think it needs him. Let's just let it go. See how long it'll do this. Speaker doing something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not hearing much, but we're seeing plenty. Hey, the radio's on again. Hope I didn't spray the radio. This radio is more valuable to me than the whole fucking Mac computer. Cause, you know, I'm a radio nerd. Might just, that's fine. Alright, anyway, look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I don't think it's gonna do anything really good, so. I'm starting to smell it. I'm smelling it at this point. Okay, there we go. Smells vintage to me. Yeah. What if I like let it flow around in there? Is it gonna? Nah. But it is sensitive to water now. Oh yeah. It just needs some percussive maintenance. What? There goes the motor. All right, quickly, we need to burn another disk while this computer is still operational. Oh, fuck. Oh. Get in there. We gotta mix fire and water for our, you know. Ooh yeah. That CRT is doing good. Oh yeah. Light me up. There we go. Oh yeah. No, get in the computer. Come on. Uh-oh, dripping fire. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wow, it's still doing something on the screen. I'm actually impressed with that circuitry not completely like destroying itself by now. I wonder if we can heat shock the CRT once it is heated up. Oh. Hearing cracking. Like CRTs don't like to be heated up and then cooled down. They will break the seal. Yeah, look at that. That's a bit more fire than I... Uh-oh. Gotta put that out. All right. Well, can we quickly spray the CRT? Come on, heat shock. Crack the monitor. Come on. Well, all I'm doing is cleaning it off at this point. It's gonna do that, I guess. Uh-oh, hitting my fancy. Come on. Guess a wooden mallet isn't a very good. I made this myself, by the way. Anyway. Or I'm just a bad throw. Alright. Wow, this is going to be a long-ass video for me to edit. Edit all this crap here. Good old-fashioned framing hammer. Perfect tool for any vintage that you need to take care of. Unless you're bad at throwing hammers, that is. I'm aiming straight for the glass picture bulb on this Mac computer. Okay, gotta check which way the wind is blowing so it doesn't sway my 22 ounces of steel going through the air. You know, like PGA golfing. All right. I cracked it. It didn't blow in though. Let's check this puppy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, fine, I'll just take the thing off the fucking tripod. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's plug it in again. Yeah. Right, we're back. And we are going to put this cable into the back hole of the computer. And flip the power switch. It's pretty dead. It's pretty dead. I hear nothing. Power supply is probably not even running. Well, hammer to finish it off. Yeah, I think so. And here we have the concrete slab, which this computer is about to hit. Oh, that's a lot of damage. I hate cleaning up broken glass, but it's worth it for a video like this, I guess. I gotta salvage the aluminum and copper. This one, not gonna do anything. Maybe I'll keep the power supply. It looks good. Ooh! See, it did have a RAM expansion slot in it. Ugh, if you're gonna smash something, you might as well completely obliterate it, you know? Hi, I have a Macintosh 512K in perfect working order for sale now on eBay. I'll ship it to you right away.